We built Nanosocials to fix a problem nobody else was solving. How do you run creator campaigns at scale without losing control of who's doing what?
V2 starts here. A brand account, a creator account, as many accounts as you need, all under one login.
Every account now supports teams. Add the people running the campaigns with you. Set what they can touch and what they can see. Viewer, member, admin, owner. This is for brands and agencies, the ones managing 5 campaigns and 10 creators at once. No more shared logins. No more guessing who changed what.
Then we looked at the creator side. Campaigns were something you waited to be picked for. We changed that. Creators can now apply to open campaigns directly on their dashboard. You see what you want, you go after it. And performance now means something. We built Nano Rank, a leaderboard that ranks creators by what actually moves a campaign. Views, engagement, reach, not just follow accounts. Show up small, perform big, and the system sees it.
To our creative audience, there's another side of that. We finally introduced our demerit system. What that simply means is, if you're not able to fulfill a campaign and you don't opt out on time, it affects your standing later on, and you might not be able to opt into more campaigns later down the line. All you need to do is, if you're not able to fulfill a campaign, don't accept it or opt out on time so other creators would have a chance to get into the same campaign. Also get a live link. This is just a simple way for you to share all your socials in a single link, and later down the line, it's also going to become a referral system as well. So while you're sharing your socials, you also have a chance to earn money by bringing people into the Nano community. So our brand's audience, our lovely, lovely brand audience. Screenshot Abby, Excel sheet, something like that. We don't do that here. At Nano, we give you all the tools you need to manage your existing creator audience and also give you access to our large pool of creators that have signed up on Nano. Meaning, you can create a public campaign and get people to apply to join it, or create a private one and send it out to people that you already work with. What's the end goal of doing that? On Nano, every single campaign you run is tracked and managed, meaning at the end of every campaign, you see fully realized results regardless of the social media platform. That gives you insight to how the performance of your campaign went, so that in the future or later on, you can tweak such campaigns to have a greater return on your ad spend. That is the Nano promise.
This is what collaboration infrastructure looks like when it's actually built for the people using it. Agencies and brands get control, creators get a system that rewards the work. And that's Nano version 2.0.